money material can't buy themselves bring victory or freedom. We must have the motive power that will inspire us to brave deeds and heroic exploits. With this line, this is Aisha and I welcome you all in today's special segment of Rebel News India. Today is Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti, and whenever we hear the name Subhash Chandra Bose, the first thing that comes in our mind is popular saying by him, तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti is celebrated on 23rd January every year to remember and honor Netaji Bigo as one of the greatest freedom fighters of India. This day tributes the birth of India's most celebrated revolutionary and visionary freedom fighter who spent his entire life fighting for the independence. People across India celebrate this day in unity. Some states even a whole public holiday. Let's see more about Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti.
Subhash Chandra Bose was a man of great courage and willpower. He was a true son of his motherland, a scholar, a patriot, a leader, an intellectual, a visionary, a socialist, and a warrior. His untiring efforts for the freedom of his nation earned him the greatest and most respected titles of all times, Netaji. Netaji was the son of India who taught the Indians that one should not bow down but roar like a lion. Giving blood is the work of a brave man. What Netaji called for was not limited to just getting independence, but to make the Indian people a hero for all ages. After independence, only a brave man can protect his freedom. He must defend freedom more than to gain freedom. Netaji will be remembered with great reverence in India's history. 23rd January is celebrated as Deshprem Divas every year in memory of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. This day is celebrated in a grand manner among the members of the party of forwarding blocks. Subhash Chandra Bose was a true fighter and initial contributors to India's independence movement. Subhash Chandra Bose has taken a violent approach, unlike Gandhiji. Subhash Chandra Bose was a strong believer in Bhagavad Gita. It was his belief that Bhagavad Gita was a great source of inspiration for the fight against the British. He also held Swami Vivekananda teaching in high esteem. Subhash Chandra Bose is an unforgettable national hero. He had tremendous love for his country. Furthermore, the great personality sacrificed his whole life for the country.
A hero was born with a dream of free India. Salute to our true hero, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Jai Hind.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.